Here's a collection of some of my tacky cologne bottles. As much as I love my Dior's and Chanel's and their beautiful bottles and boxes, another reason I was drawn to having cologne and spraying cologne is always attracted to their tacky presentation. Or you can use other words, colorful, but you know, on the woman's side, you got little poofy, soft things and all kinds of designs. I don't look down upon that at all. These are some of mine, and they just happen to be ones that I love and appropriate for this time of year, fall. So, niche snobs, you ain't got any of this stuff. I'm sure you shun all of this kind of stuff. Thank you for tuning in anyway. You have the sophisticated glass and the boxes, and you know, the presentation is very uppity. I don't know if it's costly, but you ain't got any of this, of the flashy, colorful, loud, tacky presentation. And I love it. I love it. Carolina Herrera, Jean Paul Gaultier, Victor and Rolf from Amsterdam, Paco Rabanne, and the fantastic jeweler Bulgari. Love these. Wouldn't part with these for any price. Not too much. Little of this goes a long way. Maybe more for tonight. But we'll go with that. It's a freaking grenade. You niche guys, you got a bottle that looks like a grenade? I don't think so. But check me out in the comments if bottles get this creative, colorful in the niche world of perfumery. I don't know. So these guys aren't Chanel and Dior, so maybe they have to, like, you know, they don't have a reputation like they do, so they have to catch your eye as you're walking through Bloomingdale's or Macy's, Dillard's and all that. So I'm sure that's part of the reason. It's fascinating. It's fascinating. But come on, grenade. That's as macho and masculine as you can get. I don't know if anything tops that. Okay, that's in its own class. This is tacky. This is tacky, a trophy, but I still like it. You know, it's the overdose of commercials you see of this thing, which I don't even watch the commercials anymore, but you know, during the Super Bowl and all that. So I for one love it, and let me know if you have any more over-the-top bottles than these. I don't know. Come on, Lamal, the original Lamal. I mean, people just make fun of that thing, you know. This is cool. I don't think anyone can take this down, but niche snobs, let me know. Think about your bottles and presentations of the thousands of brands, and let me know if they are as eye-catching as these great designers. See ya.